Barometer mode of this watch. We enter the barometer mode using the mode button, pressing the mode button once, and the watch, as is displayed on this secondary screen, says baro, and it measures the atmospheric pressure. Now, it simultaneously runs the thermometer sensor, and the temperature is displayed on the bottom screen. Now, to get accurate readings of the temperature, the watch should be left somewhere on the stand for about 15 minutes approximately, as the Casio instructions said themselves. So, a few things to know about the barometer mode. In the first 3 minutes, the watch will take measures every 5 seconds, and then afterwards every 2 minutes. So, as you can see, we have pressure shown over here, and this scale over here is reference scale for the barometer readings. Now I will zoom in to show what this scale is all about. So basically, this scale over here, as it says on the watch screen, says cloudy, -5, and 5 fine. As I previously engaged the barometer mode, the watch itself took I don't know, let's say a reference reading, and then after every 5 seconds, the watch takes another reading, and based on those changes, it says what's the weather gonna be like. And we have these over here, these lines, and the further this line goes towards the fine, the weather will be fine, or it is gonna be getting better. And the same is for the other side. It says cloudy, so the weather is tend to get rainy, cloudy, and stuff like that. So basically, right now the watch is, as we can see, has a pressure reading that says the weather is going to be fine. To enter the altimeter mode, as you can see, we have on this watch a specified button on the standard timekeeping mode that says Alti button. Unlike the barometer mode, where you are scrolling through the modes using the this button mode, and the barometer is the first function of the watch, the altimeter button is a specified button. So let's press the Alti button and wait for the sensors to read out the height. As you can see, current readings are 465 or 470 meters as it was before, and the watch also takes the temperature reading as well as in barometer mode, so you have that information as well. Now, a few things to know about the altimeter mode is the height is based on the pressure sensor as well. So to do an accurate reading of your temperature, or well, before that, I would like to say that previous sensors in the Casio watches, such as this one, have the increments of 5. So when it comes to meters, it's about 5 meters. So 465, as you can see, as you saw previously, it was scrolling down between 465 and 470 meters. So in these newer models, the sensors are in 1 meter. So increments of 1 meter. In this previous models, it's in increments of 5 meters. So to get an accurate reading of your height or your altitude, you must have a reference point, and then using this button, you come into adjust mode, and then the watch will read out your height, 470 meters. As you can see, it starts to blink, and then we can adjust it using the increment of 5. So as well, if you have a very sensitive or very accurate device that measures your height, or you can use it to preset the sensor of this watch when you're climbing, and then you'll have the most accurate reading of the height ever. So as well as barometer mode, to get to factory preset or calibration, just deep press these two buttons and watch will come to that mode. Press off, and as you can see, the watch is back to system settings or factory settings. To exit this setting mode, just press adjust button and the watch is back in the altimeter mode. To get back to timekeeping mode, just press once mode button and the watch is in standard timekeeping mode.